Hey, what's up guys? So this is my 2008 BMW 328i. This is the E90 model and it's automatic. And I'm gonna show you how to fix a cup stuck holder today. So see, this is the center console right here, and then there's a coin slot right here, and there's also a cigarette lighter right here. And right now I can't open it all the way because some coins got right here, right on top of the cover, and then it slid back behind the cover, right? So it's not allowing me to open this compartment all the way. All right, so before I disconnect anything, I'm going to disconnect the battery in the trunk first, as you know, safety first. All right, so next I'm gonna put the key in and then press start, foot on the brake, put it down to drive. All right, so now the car is in drive. Now you can press the button and then pull up, and then there's the shifter. All right, so next I'm gonna use a plastic trim tool to remove the shifter boot for the shifter. So let's see how this assembly comes out. It looks pretty easy. Oh, alright, that's pretty easy. Alright, so yeah, so I just did a trim tool to go around, and that should come out. Alright. Alright, so under the shifter boot assembly, there's gonna be two connectors, and then I'm just gonna use a screwdriver to unplug them. Alright, so one connector, two connector. Alright, so now to remove this center console trim, I'm just gonna use a plastic pry tool. You see this? Yeah. So I'm just gonna work from the driver's side. So I'm just gonna pry up. Use another one right here, and then just pry up. And it should come out pretty easily. So just work your way around the trim, and it should just pop out. Alright, so that's the rear. Let's see if you guys can see the front. Alright. Alright, just wiggle it back and forth and this should come out. Alright. Alright, so with the center console trim removed, there's still gonna be one connector right here. And to disconnect that, you just squeeze and pull. Squeeze and pull. Alright, there we go. So now that this is out, we can start taking apart the coin holder. Alright, so as you can hear, there's coins inside the cup holder slot that are not inside the cup holder slot, right? So that's behind this cover right here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to remove the whole cup holder assembly. Alright, so there's two ways of getting these coins out, right? So the first way is to remove 1, 2, 3, and 4 Torx bolts from the bottom of the console where the cup holder bolts onto the console. And you can remove that and take out the bolts, or you can just shake it until coins come out, and then once enough coins come out, you'll be able to remove this coin slot and then wiggle it some more. Alright, I still think there's one more coin stuck in there. Alright, so holding it upright and opening and closing the coin slot will also help the coins come out and fall out like this. Alright, so now I got all of the coins out of this coin holder slot, and now it can open and close freely. And that's all of the coins that were stuck behind here that wouldn't let it open, but now it opens all the way. And then here's some more coins under the center console trim. So I can use that for laundry later. But yeah, just make sure you get all the coins out of the center console. Yeah, that should be it. And then installation is the same as removing it. Alright, so to install it, let's connect this back. Make sure it clicks. It's clicked. Alright, that should be good. Now you can put the center console trim back on. Make sure it lines up all the way. Alright. Line up. Oh man. Let's see. This should just pop in. Alright, make sure it's on tight. Make sure everything's connected. Everything's on good. Alright. Now you can put this coin slot back in. There we go. Make sure it opens and closes. That's all good. Now time to put this back. So blue with blue, white with white. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Got this back in. Make sure everything's tight, everything's on good, everything's connected. Alright. Now you can put this shifter back on. Alright. And then give it a good hit. And then so that goes back into drive. Alright. And then coin holder works. And there you have it. Alright, that's it. So if you guys have an E90, be sure to check out my channel. I have more videos on how to fix E90 common problems and issues. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.